In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new lead in Odoo CRM. To get started, open Odoo and click on the CRM app. This will take you directly into the Odoo CRM workspace where you can manage leads, opportunities, and your overall sales activity. By default, Odoo usually opens to the sales pipeline view, so this is the screen you should expect to see first. The pipeline gives you a visual overview of your current sales process, making it easy to track where each lead stands. Once you're in the CRM section, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the New button. This is how you begin creating a fresh lead entry. After clicking it, a form will open where you can enter the lead's basic details. Here you'll want to fill in the relevant information as accurately as possible. Start with the contact person's name, then enter the company name if applicable. After that, add their email address and phone number so your team has the right contact details available for follow-up. You can also enter the expected revenue, which helps estimate the potential value of this lead. This is especially useful for keeping your pipeline organized and for forecasting future sales. As you fill out the form, it's a good idea to double-check the information before saving it. Even small errors in contact details can make follow-up more difficult later, so taking a few extra seconds here can save time down the line. Keeping your lead records clean and complete also helps your CRM stay useful and reliable as your sales database grows. Once everything is entered, click Add. As soon as you do that, the new lead will be created and added into your CRM. You'll now be able to see it in your pipeline and continue managing it from there, whether that means assigning it to a salesperson, updating its stage, or adding notes later on. And that's it. That's how you add a new lead in Odoo CRM. It's a very quick process, but entering the information carefully makes a big difference in keeping your sales workflow organized and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.